Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Forex Signal service, and before going to the Forex Signal service, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the bell button so that you can keep on Forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, this is the Forex signals that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and grid pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 144,218 and 143,234 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go down, and finally it hit the target price, and it has even went beyond that barriers. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions on grid pound JPY as per my recommendations. They must have ended their day with a very good profit. Next we are going to talk about Euro USD, the first leading pair of my signals report. So Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 108,220 and 108,527 is the target price. And guys, you can see a big move on grid pound Euro USD today, and it has straight went up, and I have supplied the bullish signal in my signals report. And I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today. They must have caught the profit within a single candle that appeared on Euro USD today. Okay, now let's talk about the AUDUSD. So guys, you know that today it's Monday, and normally we expect the slower momentum on few pairs. So AUDUSD was slow, but however my recommendation was bullish on AUDUSD from 0.66026 and 0.66467 is the target price. And guys, you can see already the market went beyond the entry, and it is heading towards the target price. So overall I'm bullish on AUDUSD. Okay, now let's talk about another pair, which is USD Canadian dollar. Okay guys, a sell position was advised today to the subscribers from 132732. Let me delete that line. Okay, so this is the line here. So 132732, and I'm expecting the market up to 132400. And I have done some sort of scalping on USD Canadian dollar, but if you look at the daily candle, then daily candle is still bullish, but overall I am bearish on USD Canadian dollar. If it goes down, I'm not heavily bearish, because if you look at my target price, the target price is not much far from the entry, and 132400 is the target price. So it has given us a chance a slight bit, and slightly, and I have taken the profit on USD Canadian dollar. Next we are going to talk about another ongoing trade on EURJPY that's still on to the downward momentum. EURJPY with a bearish expectation from 120,418 and 119,231 is the target price. You can see it has already break our entry, and if it continues to be down like this, then it can reach up to 119,231. Overall, I'm bearish on EURJPY, and at last I'm going to talk about AUDJPY. We have seen a drop today on AUDJPY, and that was my recommendation. A bearish trend was applied to the subscribers in the morning from 73474 and 72948 is the target price. And guys, if you look at the chart here on 1 hour, the AUDJPY has already went down. If you look at the daily candle, the daily candle has also pumped down. So overall, a bearish expectation can be expected on AUDJPY. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. When the market comes into the top red boundary, and if you see that the market is losing its momentum, then you can sell the pair. When any candle closes below the middle dotted line, then you can sell more. Look, the pair is down. When any candle comes into the lower red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, and if you see that the market is making the momentum, upward momentum from that area, then you can buy the pair. And that's happened today, and sorry, that happened on 21st of February. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the price monitor is there to help you in the form of sell and buy directions here, and even the scalper points you with the sell arrow to go down and a white arrow to go up, but you use the scalper with the red boundaries. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get this expert advisor from me, if you are looking to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that today AUDJPY is bearish and Euro USD it's bullish. So this is based on a technique that I use. The technique is very simple. I teach the trader for 3 days on Skype, And if you want to learn that trick, it's basically based on a trick. So I teach this trick for $700. So if you want to get this trick, and if you want to get something professional into trading, then for all this you need to send your inquiries right on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.